Hello everyone, Mr. Hissner here, and today we're going to start with our next section, which is area. I have these formulas. In our Schoology folder, I will have a real detailed section of the formulas, a breakdown of all the little bits here, what to use, what and when to use it. So please check the Schoology folder. And I'm just going to do just one example here. How about we do number 8. So if you notice number 8, this is a parallelogram, and a parallelogram is just the base times the height. Well, one of the things we have to do with a parallelogram is think of which one of these values is the height, right? We can see pretty quickly that 11.8 is the base, but then we have these two values here. We have 18.5 and 16.1. Which one of these is the height? If you're going to think about which one is the height, you might think to yourself, how would I measure my height? Would I measure it with a measuring stick that is tilted, or would you measure it with a measuring stick that is straight up and down? And the answer is straight up and down. So our height here is not 18.5, it's 16.1, and so it would just be 11.8 times 16.1, and you would get an answer, and that answer will be in meters squared. So our height is 16.1. Let's look at another problem. So we also have one of these things that we can have is these word problems. And so we have to use the formula for the trapezoid, which is the area is equal to 1/2 base 1 plus base 2. And so as we read through this word problem, it says with the base measure of, so we have one base is 23, and base measure of kilometers, base 2 is 29, and the area is 390. Find the height. So find the height of the trapezoid. So we want to find height. So it's 1/2 the height. My bad. So it was going to look like 390 is equal to 1/2 x base 1 plus base 2. So let's just do 1/2 x. 23 plus 29, this is 40, 52. And then I'm just going to rearrange these. So this would be 1/2 times 52 times x is equal to 390. And this is a very easy problem to do. Just remember that when you have something that looks like this, we want the junk in the trunk. And so this would be 390 is equal to 1/2 of 52, which is 26. And I need to calculate 390 divided by 26. Oh, height is 15. That was easy. And these are kilometers. So the idea here when we have these problems, we need to use what we're given, write down what we're given, and then dump it into the formula of the shape that we have, and then start to use algebra. Do the parentheses first if you can. Rearrange your stuff, put the junk in the trunk if you have to. And that's pretty much it. This is just area, so nothing too complex. Thanks for watching.